I put makeup on solely to film this video. I haven't really been getting ready recently, obviously, because we can't really go anywhere. So this is my first time wearing makeup in a minute, and I got ready today and I was like, wow, she still has it. Speaking of staying home, I hope you're safe. I'm sending love to everybody right now at this crazy time in this world. Just sending so much love to everybody, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. For today's video, I am gonna be showing you guys something that I did actually a few months ago. I filmed this. For some reason, I think that I'm an interior designer. I redid my boyfriend's entire master bedroom. It's basically like our bedroom, so I got the green light to like just do whatever I wanted. So the room before was very basic, just like white walls, not really any theme going on other than messy. There's this really dirty rug that I just could not wait to get rid of. So the goal here was to basically just make it look overall better than before, because before, not the vibe. I just said vibe. I'm gonna shut up now. Let's get into it. Y'all, I'm shook up. So I was getting out the wall light sconces that we're gonna put on the walls, and I was just, seeing what it was gonna look like, and I shattered it all over the floor. Literally just shards of glass everywhere. Welcome to my professional room makeover. So I'm gonna go online and see if I could possibly reorder this light and have it here within like 2 days. I don't know, I'm just feeling really stupid right now. Like, I'm the most dumb person in the world. That's me, hey.
Past it. Keep going. Not there, that's the other word. No. You're not holding it straight up and down. No.
Let me put it in just to see. Oh! Hi, it is the next day now. I'm wearing a Rugrat sweater and I just had coffee. It's a good morning. So we finished up all of the wiring for the lighting, but I'm gonna wait to put the sconces up until we paint this wall. So I decided to do a little accent wall situation for this room. I really love accent walls, and I don't know if it's because they look really cool or if it's because subconsciously I just know it's less effort because I don't have to paint every wall. But I got this paint that is a specific texture, so you can't apply it with a roller. It has to be applied with a brush. And I really sucked at painting in middle school. I actually suck at painting now. This was not a good idea. So because this wall is so massive, I'm actually having my friend Haley come and help me paint it. We're all taped up. Haley's here. Woo! First coat, here we go. Let's do it. Hopefully we don't screw this up. Hours later, and a lot of paint in my hair and my hands, and we're finished! It's still drying, so don't mind how dark it looks. It's gonna dry to be like that little corner right there, and I'm so happy with it! I'm so excited! 2 things in this makeover, almost done, and we have about 20 more things to do. I'm not stressed. You are. All right, our wall is painted and it is time to put up the sconces. Luckily, I was able to find a glass globe at Home Depot that's super similar to the one that I shattered earlier. So we are really overcoming challenges here, people. What? Are you freaking kidding me, dude? Ow, look at this. Oh, it's a dimmer switch. Look at this. She's beautiful. Like, I can't. We installed that. Well, mostly my dad installed it, but like, it's freaking cool. Also, just to have my own light switch that I can turn on and off in bed, like I don't have to stumble in the dark anymore. That sounded oddly inspirational. Now I need to move the bed back in place. I am not fine. I'm not cut out for this interior design, okay? I got these wall decor pieces that I found on Etsy, and I'm gonna hang them above the bed. I hope that this is even because I'm a dummy and decided to not use a leveler and instead trust my instincts, which usually does not help me out in scenarios. I don't think it's terrible. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, honeycomb, we see you. Now for the next one. Should I use a leveler? Probably. Will I? You guess. Ta-da! Also, I'm pretty sure they're not exactly even, but I'm trying to ignore it because I'm too lazy to fix it. So now I'm gonna be working on this wall. So this wall still has some screws from the shelves that we removed. So I'm gonna remove the screws and fill in the holes later. But right now, I am just really excited about this shelf that I got at Home Goods today. I thought this would work good in the space so that we could have some shelves, but it not take up too much room because it's pretty skinny. Also, I didn't have to build it, and that's always a plus for me. I'm about to tackle this naked corner. This is one scenario where being naked isn't a good thing. Actually, there are probably a lot of scenarios where being naked isn't a good thing. Listen, I know my jokes are bad right now, but you know, it's late and they'll get better eventually. That was a good joke. Okay, I'll stop. So I bought a chair off of Amazon a while back and I decided to put it in this corner. I know you're supposed to have like 2 chairs in a couple's bedroom because there's 2 of you. Also, I was up super late last night reading about feng shui and it made me want to change everything. But then I realized I don't really have the mental capacity to do that right now. So we're going with 1 chair. I kind of forgot what it looks like because I bought it like a while ago. So hopefully we enjoy it. Ooh! I apologize, this went from a very calm video to me being very barbaric all of a sudden. I'm just really excited about this chair. And I think I'm gonna need to cut it to get it out. Oh God! You know what, I think I can lift it. Oh, okay. I'm definitely not doing this the easiest way. I know I always make things more complicated than they need to be. Oh, I got it. Yes! Ta-da! We got the chair. I don't hate it. Me trying to convince myself. It is a beautiful chair and I am gonna keep it. I just think like there was probably better options to work with the room as far as like the dimensions go. I think like a taller chair probably would have been better. Also, I don't really know what I'm talking about. I'm not an interior designer. Oh, that's cute. Look at our little corner. Wait, I actually love this. So one thing I want to change is all of the shoes that are underneath the bed because there's these little cubbies that are built into the bed that we tend to store not just shoes but also lots of other random stuff. Ew, just like an old bag of goldfish. That might be mine. So I just kind of want to take all the shoes and everything out from under the bed and just find new places for it. Also, we have a ton of shoe storage in the closet, so I'm just going to move everything in there. That way the bed will just feel cleaner and free of feet. Another bag of goldfish, which is definitely mine. I mean, the first step to improving is accepting you have a problem, so I am a slob. I'm now realizing my side of the bed in all the cubbies, it's basically 50% trash. This is my blow dryer that blew up like weeks ago, so I just put it under the bed. This is a makeup remover wipe bag that is empty. Wrappers, receipts. I've literally just been sleeping with all of this trash right here. Don't sleep with trash. That can also apply to your dating life. Okay, so I actually have these bins that were already in these little cubbies, so I think I'm gonna go buy a few more of these at Target and just like pop them in here. So if we do wanna store anything, it still looks not so chaotic and also the color works well. So solutions. Now I have to try to roll out this rug and this bed is so heavy, but you know what? I'm pretty strong. I mean, I can probably do it. Oh my gosh. Ugh! Oh my God. I'm gonna need help. This bed weighs so many pounds. Okay, I stubbed my toe. It's really numb and I think I'm in shock. But we found out somewhat of a method. One. So we have had these paper blinds forever and it sucks because we can't like adjust them or like bring them up or down. So we basically never get to see out of these windows. Also, they're pretty much just like glued to the windows. So we're taking that off. I have never installed blinds or shades before, although this one seems pretty simple. Beautiful. It is the final day of the room makeover. Right now, I'm going to add the bedding to the bed and just like decorate that. We've had this white bedding forever, which I'm gonna keep that, but I thought it'd be cool to have like a top blanket. So I found this like dark charcoal duvet cover. So I have this old duvet insert that I wasn't really using, so I'm gonna use this to put in here and hopefully not have a million mental breakdowns, because that seems to always happen to me whenever I'm trying to put a duvet insert into a cover. It's stressful. Am I the only one that struggles with this? Because I swear, I dread it every time. Oh, this was a terrible way to do this. Now it is time for some finishing touches, because I went to my favorite store, Target. It's a dangerous place for me. I got some cute little knickknacks that I'm just gonna like disperse throughout the room, and then we will be done. We did it, folks. We have reached the end of this makeover. We are gonna show Dom the room.
You look so beautiful. I thought you said it was gonna take 2 days.
Yeah, so it took about 4.
Oh, 5.
4.5 long, treacherous days. I hope you like your
Hour.
I
go in there, it's just all your stuff.
Or just a clock-themed room. Hour. Sorry.
Oh my God, I was like, oh, where's it go? That's good. That was good timing too. I'm so excited. I just want to say, before I see it, I just want to say I'm very proud of you, because you've been wanting to do this for a very long time.
You ready, babe?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, I just realized I don't want to do it. I'm scared.
What?
Okay, you can come in.
Are we ready? 3, 2.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Baby, this is so beautiful. You have lights on the wall? What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's lit. Sorry. Babe, this is so pretty. How did you do this?
I had my dad help me a little bit with that one.
This wall and the texture. We got blinds?
We got blinds.
It's so gorgeous. I also love how you have like little spurts of it over there on the white wall.
Well, that's just my personal touch.
I love it. It's called art. What's this?
Oh, this is me trying to cover up these holes. And then, so I bought this and I was like, oh, it's like an empty canvas so we can like paint something on it together and have our own personal art piece in the room. But it was more so just to cover the holes.
I love it. Is this time right?
Oh, the timing's definitely not accurate.
Wow!
Ooh.
Now I get to just like sit down and watch you sleep like a creeper. Wake up. Babe, you did such a great job.
Thanks, honey.
That wall, holy crap. Can we just talk about how, like, look how clean your side is right now? That will not last past a half day.
I love that you know me.
That ladder's there so you can hang all your clothes that you're gonna try and throw on the ground. This is such a great job, babe. I'm so proud of you and I'm so grateful.
You know, just you, girl. Just a little interior designer. That's me. I'm an artist. It's what I do. And it's all for you.
Ooh, room and a dance. Ooh, go get it, girl. Look at the hips.
That is it for the room makeover.
Thank you so much, babe. Honestly, it's so gorgeous. I'm so proud of you.
Anyone who wants me to come decorate your room, I'll be there. Also, Home Goods, if you want to sponsor me.
IKEA's watching like, we were going to.
You didn't know me, all you wanted was a game.